Hey there, amazing people. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going on an exciting journey into the world of augmented reality with Vuforia in Unity. You won't believe how cool this is, but before we dive in, let me show you an incredible app that we're going to create. Okay, now let's start off with building our Vuforia based Unity AR app. So let's just get started. Okay. So folks, we'll be get starting with Vuforia in Unity. So for that, let's kick things off. And things first, head over to the Vuforia website. So just have a look in my uh, window, okay, browser. So you could see I'm searching for Vuforia. When you search for Vuforia, you would get a link with developer.vuforia.com. Just click that and make sure you register and then log in. So while registering, you'll be asked to give your name, your company, give anything as your company. It doesn't matter what you give. So you could give your name or you could give anything that you like for the company name and then choose your email address, name, password, and confirm. Then agree to all these terms and create the account. And you will be receiving a mail to confirm your account and then you could just log in. Okay. So I have created my account, so I'll be logging in. Okay. Okay, once logged in, you'll be seeing something like this. Now let's go and download the Vuforia package. Go to the download section and the first link here, add Vuforia engine to Unity project or upgrade to latest version. On clicking this, you'll get a prompt for download and select where you want to download this thing. Yeah, and that's it. You can download this and just keep it there. Okay. So now let's get our Unity project started. Okay. So for that, I select uh, open Unity Hub. Unity Hub has opened up. So let me start a new project. Let me choose a location. Let's see. Uh, here, before, okay, and select the folder. And let's name this Vuforia beginners. And let's select the 3D code template and let's start creating the project. Okay, let's just wait for a few seconds. So hey folks, Unity has come in, has opened up. So now I'll be switching to the default layout so that all of you can follow easily. Okay, this is the default layout. Okay, now it's time to import Vuforia into Unity. Okay, let's start by clicking Assets, Import Package, and Custom Package. Okay, now let's select our custom package that we had downloaded. Okay, add Vuforia package and click Open. And you'll be asked for this. And make sure you select all and then click Import. Just wait for a few minutes and everything will be imported in just a snap. Okay, so you'll be prompted to for an update. It's just based on the Vuforia engine. So just click the update and the updation will get started. It's basically the Vuforia engine being added into the scripts of Unity, like this Unity project. So let's just wait for a few minutes. Hey guys, okay, that's great. So now that we have imported Vuforia into the Unity engine, now let's talk lessons. Okay, so head back to Vuforia website, which we have opened earlier. Now in the Vuforia website, you would see a section called Develop. Now click on that. Just wait for minutes. Okay, now we have the license manager. Now just click Get Basic. Yeah, just give any name that you like. I'm gonna give this name before your beginners. Okay, and check this box and confirm. Yeah, we got the before your beginners license already. And now click the and you will be seeing the license key in just a few seconds. Yeah, just click on this gray text box and the license key will be copied. Yeah, and that's it. And this is where the real adventure begins. Okay, now let's head back to Unity and get our things to work. Okay, as the first thing, you should uh, go into your hierarchy window, which is this window, and just right click before engine and just click AR camera. Okay, now you have the AR camera, and I would suggest deleting the main camera because we won't be using it anymore. Okay, and that's it. And let's see. Okay, now we'll be seeing a new folder created in the assets section, which is the resources folder. Now click that folder, and you'll be seeing a config file for Vuforia, and click that. And in your inspector panel, there will be a sec. There will be few things popped up. Like you could see a section for adding the app license key, and just press Control V because you just copied the license key from the Vuforia website and add it over here. Yeah, that's it. Your license key is all set. Now, just okay. To make the things tidy, just as that you could delete the main camera, or if you want, you can keep it, but it's advisable to delete it or just disable it. Okay. So now let's click save to make sure that anything doesn't go out of this without saving, like no corruption happens. Okay. Now let's continue to before engine and yeah, let's go to the website. Now our task is to create an image target. Okay, in the develop section in the website, click target manager and then click add database. Make sure you select a device and let's name it Vuforia beginners. Vuforia beginners. Okay, that database just cannot have spaces, so we just remove the space and just create the database and you will be seeing your database before your beginners. Click it and now let's add a target house. Select the wallpaper, choose the width as one, and let's give the name as Avengers and add. Wait a few seconds and the image target will be created. It will be the image that we'll be using for AR. Now click download database all and choose Unity editor and click download. Yeah, we got it. We got the Vuforia image target that can be used in Unity and click save and it will be downloaded in a few seconds. Now let's return back to Unity. Okay, now we need to import the package that we have just downloaded. So just follow the same steps that we used for importing the package, Vuforia package. Go to the assets, import package, custom package, and then choose the thing that you download, which is for my case, it's Vuforia beginners. Now select that and click open. Yeah, make sure you select all and click import and just wait a few minutes. All things will be set. Yeah, I think it's been downloaded. So next, our step is to create an image target in our Unity engine. Okay, now for that, go to the hierarchy window and click right click and go to Vuforia engine and then go to image target and make sure I'm naming this as Avengers because that's the name of my image target. And let's go to the inspector panel. From the make sure you for the type make sure you are in the script image target behavior and for the type you select from database and you'll be seeing an empty over here. So click on the empty and select the view for a beginners that we just imported into our Unity engine and that's it. Now you got the image in your Unity engine. See, I have the image over here. See the image. Okay, yeah, we got the image. Now all we need to do is uh, create a 3D object, a cube. Yeah, it's a cube. And let's just reduce the size a little bit. Yeah, okay. Now we got it. Yeah, that's it. And now we need to make the cube a child of the Avengers, which is the image target. And let's just save our project. Okay. Now let me see. Uh, okay, so now let's see if our Vuforia AR thing works. For that, let's click play. Okay, now let's see if our Vuforia thing is working properly. So for that, let's click the play button and make sure you have the image in your phone that you just choose for the Vuforia and just show the image to your camera and let's see if things work. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, it's perfect. Now we go to cube. See? Yeah, it's working perfectly. Yeah, that's it. You have created a augmented reality application in just few minutes. Okay, you get that. So now let's try to add a new video instead of a cube. Okay, yeah, let's go on with that. So for that, let's create a plane where we'll be showing our video. Oh, sorry. Yeah, 3D object and plane. Select plane. Oh, the planes are too big. So let's just reduce the size. Okay, yeah, it's kind of good right now. Let's just remove the cube. We don't need that anymore. Okay, the plane is just behind the image. So let's just bring it in front of the image. And let's just resize that. Perfectly aligned just above the image. Now we need to do something. Yeah, let's just rotate it 180-degree in the y axis because it is usually inverted when we add the video component. So now let's add video component, video source. Yeah, the video player. Yeah, that's it. And now let me add an image, video source into the our assets. Let me select one video. Okay, just wait a few minutes. Okay, got a image. Yeah, I got a video. Okay, I just dragged and dropped into my assets, and now just a drag and drop into the video clip. Yeah, got it. Let's see if this things works properly. Okay, yeah, we got to play the last scene of the game. The last scene, okay, all I was just fighting. So you can hear the audio. Okay, yeah, that's it.
Assemble.
And now let's see how we could get the how we could get things to build in our application, like into an Android device. You should go in files and select build settings, and make sure you click add open scenes, and your scene will be added over here, and make sure you selected the correct scene, and go to the Android and click switch platform. Now let's go to the player settings. You need to change few things over here. So make sure you add your company name here. For mine, I'm just giving it the default company. It doesn't matter for me. So yeah, there's some scripts being compiled. Let's wait for yeah, we got it. Now deactivate the autographics API and click on the Vulkan and click remove. And let's go. Let's scroll down a bit. Yeah. Now we'll change the minimum API level to, let's say, 30. That would be good. Let's change the scripting backend to IL2 CPP. And let's go a little bit down. No, we just missed a few things, right? Yeah, just untick ARM v7 and ARM 60. Just activate ARM 64 because most mobile phone architectures, Android architectures are now ARM 64 being used. So yeah, that's it. Now you could start building. I'll show you what will happen if you build a project. Okay. Yeah, just click save just for safety, and just let's start building. If you're connecting your device directly into your uh, like directly into your PC, you could get your device shown here. In your device should be in the Android USB debugging mode. And now let's click build. Um, Let me create a new folder called build, and I'll be saving my new build out here with the name build one. Let's go and let's name our APK file as build and click save. Yeah, it will be built. It will be built in a few minutes. And yeah, let's wait for the APK to get. You know, yeah, that's it, folks. That we have now created a good looking AR application, which can be built in less than 30 minutes. Okay. With what you all just need is a Unity game engine installed and a good internet connection for downloading the Vuforia and your image targets. And that's it. And thank you for joining the video. And let's hope to create more good content in the future. And yeah, make sure you subscribe and click for the notification so that when a new content gets uploaded, you will be notified as fast as possible. Okay, yeah. Thanks for joining and see you.